This is it! Ladies and gentlemen, around the planet and across the universe, tonight's the night that it's gonna be our first. Tonight is gonna be our first ever official Marvel episode. And what better way to draw our first official Marvel character than Spider-Man himself? Tonight, we're gonna draw Miles Morales. Yeah. It's like he's already told us. Anyone can wear the mask. Miles Morales is one of the Web Warriors. And he's got... Just like Spider-Man, he also has spider powers. Plus, he's got electric stingers and the power of invisibility. Now that's an interesting power. When you're drawing Miles Morales, you must draw the red spider web on his mask and his uniform. Miles Morales got his first debut on Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. And they're going to have a sequel after that. And it's going to be called Across the Spider-Verse. There's the head. Now we draw the rest of him. Alexa, play it again. On second thought, Alexa, play Hero by Chad Kroger.
Hero by Chad Kroger, featuring Josie Scott on Amazon Music.
I am so high, I can hear heaven. I'm so high,
Spider-Man, and that includes Miles Morales, also deserves to listen to this music.
no heaven down in me. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I hold on to the wings of the eagles, watch as we all fly away. Someone told me love would all save us, but how can that be? Look what love gave us. A world full of killing and blood spilling, that world never came. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I hold on to the wings of the eagles, watch as we all fly away. Now that the world isn't ending, it's love that I'm sending to you. It isn't the love of a hero, and that's why I fear it won't do. And they say that a hero can save us.
There's Miles Morales' arms.
Hold on to the wings of the eagles, watch as we all fly away. And they're watching us, they're watching us, as we all fly away. When they're watching us, they're watching us, as we all fly away. When they're watching us, they're watching us, as we all fly away. Whoa.
Alexa, play it again. Alexa, play recently
Albert-
played songs.
Here are your recently played songs from Amazon Music.
I am so high, I can hear heaven. I'm so high, I can hear heaven. Oh, but heaven, no heaven down in me. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I hold on to the wings of the eagles, watch as we all fly away.
And there he is.
Someone told me love
Oh yeah, I still need to fill in the webs.
But how can that be? Look what love gave us. A world full of killing and blood spilling, that world never came. And they say that a hero can save us. I'm not gonna stand here and wait. When they say that a hero can save us, I'm not gonna stand here and wait. I'll hold on to the wings of the eagles, watch as we all fly away. And they're watching us, they're watching us, as we all fly away. And they're watching us, they're watching us, as we all fly away. And they're watching us, they're watching us, as we all fly away. Whoa.
And there he is. That is our first official How to Draw Marvel episode. And that is how you draw Miles Morales. The man who has saved the Spider-Verse and the entire streets of New York as well. Spider-Man, you will never stop evolving. You're one of the best characters I've ever seen. I'm happy you all enjoyed this episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next in the comments below. Let me know which Marvel character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.